Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some funky jewelry using beads from bbcraft.com. Now recently, BB Craft sent me a ton of beads and jewelry findings, and I had to find something to do with them. So I did. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some jewelry. Make sure to check out bbcraft.com. They have tons of amazing beads and jewelry findings. You're gonna go crazy. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.